How to download Stremio on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can download Stremio on Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, locate your Google Play Store, then open it up. After you do that, you'll need to search for Stremio. So let me show you. This is the default page. Tap on the search bar on the top and simply search for Stremio. Then you'll find the Stremio app right here. Open it up and then tap on the download or install button. After that, the Stremio app should start installing. Now the installation time can depend on your internet speed, so wait for it to get downloaded, and after it finally downloads, you can then start streaming for your videos, for your series and movies. And that's basically how you download and use Stremio on Android. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.